Experience the tranquil beauty of nature bliss like never before. Immerse yourself in lush landscapes that rejuvenate your spirit and calm your mind. Discover vibrant flora that bursts with color, creating a picturesque backdrop for relaxation. Explore serene water bodies that reflect the beauty of nature, enhancing your sense of peace. Wander through unique trails that lead to breathtaking views and moments of tranquility. Engage with diverse wildlife, reminding you of the beauty and harmony found in nature. Join us at Nature Bliss and reconnect with the great outdoors.